Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Trello board sharing with Atlassian Access, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize Trello board sharing with Atlassian Access, begin by logging into your Atlassian account. Navigate to the Atlassian admin console. Once inside, look for the Products tab on the left sidebar and click on it. Select Trello from the list of available products. Next, head to the User Management section. Ensure that your organization is linked with the correct Atlassian Access account. To manage permissions, click on the Permissions tab. Here, you will see various options related to board sharing settings. Locate the option for Board Sharing Permissions. You can decide whether to enable or disable sharing options. If you wish to allow team members to share boards, toggle the sharing option to on. Next, confirm your selection by clicking the Save. Now, return to the Trello interface. Open the specific board you'd like to share. Click on the Invite button, usually found on the upper right side of the board. In the invitation settings, you may need to enter the email addresses of users you want to invite. Set appropriate permissions for each user, whether they can observe or edit the board. After configuring access levels, send the invitations. Once users accept the invitations, they will have access to the board as per the given permissions. Finally, monitor the board sharing settings periodically to ensure they align with your organizational policies. You have successfully authorized Trello board sharing with Atlassian Access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.